The Lenovo Legion Y530 is a sleek budget gaming laptop that offers great looks, a wide range of ports and a solid graphics card. Unfortunately, its display could have better colors and the mushy keyboard won't please everyone. There's also its comically bad webcam placement. Still, the Legion Y530 is a very good choice for casual gamers who want a sub $1,000 laptop with a button-up design that can blend in and even impress no matter the setting. Specs: CPU Intel Core i5-8300H operating system, Windows 10 Home, RAM 8GB, RAM upgradable to 16GB, hard drive size 1TB, hard drive type SATA hard drive, secondary hard drive size 128GB, secondary hard drive type PCIe M.2 SSD, display size 15.6, highest available resolution 1920x1080, native resolution 1920x1080, graphics card NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, 4GB video memory, 4GB Wi-Fi, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi model, Lenovo 802.11 AC, 2x2, and AMP, Bluetooth 4.1, Bluetooth 4.1. Design: the Lenovo Legion Y530 is the Porsche of budget gaming laptops. Its minimalist design and blackout color scheme give it a suave look you'd associate with tuxedo-clad big-screen villains. It's a refreshing departure from the garish beasts with their flashing RGB lighting and superfluous design elements that dominate the gaming laptop category. Speaking of the lid, its surface is textured with slightly raised grooves that make a zip noise when you glide your fingers across them. A three-pronged LED symbol lights up a shiny black Legion logo that would otherwise blend into the background. The Legion's two dedicated fans are visible through a grille on the bottom of the device. The Legion Y530 is hefty compared with other entry-level gaming laptops, but its slim bezels make for a relatively compact device. For comparison, the Acer Nitro 5 Spin weighs only 4.9 pounds, but it's 0.6 inches wider. Similarly, the HP Omen 15 is a tad lighter at 5 pounds but stretches out to 15.1 inches. The MSI GL62 M7REX weighs about the same at 5.3 pounds but has a much larger footprint at 15.1 x 10.2 x 1.1 inches. The keyboard has an undersized number pad positioned above large arrow keys. I noticed a fair of flex toward the center of the keyboard when I pressed hard on the F, G, or H keys thanks to an actuation force of 63 grams and generous key travel of 2 mm, at the top of our minimum recommended range of 1.5 mm to 2 mm. I was able to blaze through the 10fastfingers.com typing test, achieving 124 words per minute with a 95% accuracy rate. That's significantly faster than my 109 WPM average and around my typical accuracy. Audio: the two Harman-Toon speakers on the bottom of the Legion Y530 pump out decent sound. When I listened to The Weeknd's Call Out My Name, the Canadian R&B singer's vocals sounded crisp and clear, but the drum beats and cymbal hits were weak and messy. I had the same critiques when listening to City and Color's Lover Come Back. While Dallas Green's smooth vocals sounded hollow at times, the percussion instruments in this stripped-down indie tune were all over the place. It breezed through the heavy workload I threw at it, which included running 15 Google Chrome tabs, 2 of which played Twitch streams while 4 ran YouTube videos at 1080p. Also running in the background was the Lenovo Vantage software and an ESPN Courtcast for the Wimbledon tennis tournament. After it loaded everything without the slightest hint of lag, I fired up a World Cup live stream for good measure. Amazingly, it didn't buckle under the pressure. The Legion Y530 also impressed in our lab testing, scoring a 13,866 in the Geekbench 4 test, which measures processor and memory performance. That score beats the MSI GL62M, 13,648, the HP Omen, 11,769, and the entry-level gaming category average, 12,887, but falls just short of the Acer Nitro 5 Spin, 14,974.